Y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you tonight, doing a little video. I know I hadn't done something in a while, and I apologize, y'all. Really under the weather last week, and shoot, I hardly got any sleep or anything like that, so wasn't able to do any videos over this past weekend. I'm just now trying to get back in the groove of things, but I was doing this video tonight just to thank y'all for those who've been commenting and watching and everything here over the past week. And I wanted to introduce you to some things I'm gonna do some videos on. I got some great cooking products in the mail here over the past week. I hadn't had a chance to show you guys. First off, I got a couple really nice knives. I've got this Oxford chef knife here. Y'all just take a look at it. And again, I'll do some videos exclusively on this stuff. I just wanted to show you. Beautiful Damascus VG10 67 layer Damascus steel chef knife. Really nice handle on it. That's gorgeous. I put this on my Facebook page, Southern Coastal Cooking. Some of you saw it. I can put a link to it in the description box where you can get that and save a little bit. And I've also got this made in knife. It's another cool knife, made in France, designed in Austin, Texas. More the, I guess you'd say, the American style. And this one here is X50 CRM V15 Nitro Plus. Really good, cool knife there. So I'm excited about trying that one out there in the kitchen. Again, I'll put a link to that too. Again, these are just some things that I've gotten. These all kind of came in at the same time. Another coolest one in the barbecue realm is the ash kicker. I don't know if y'all heard of this, but basically they're real heavy fold out sheets that you put in your grill, your smoker or whatever, and it catches the ash. I'm gonna put that in the Kingman. That way it's gonna make it a lot easier to clean out my firebox of the Kingman. I've really been having some trouble with that Kingman, trying to clean out, having to break the vacuum cleaner out every time, and these things are reusable too. I'll get that back in the box in a second. Then I've got a couple of pans. These are made by Solid Techniques, I guess you'd call it. Made in the USA. This is really cool. All right, first off, this is a deeper pan, kind of saute pan or something like this. And this one's solid. Basically, this is a stainless steel. All right, this is really neat. It'll work on any kind of stove, induction, anything like that. Really pretty. Look how it's got the United States there in the handle. Also the skillet, and this is a wrought iron, not a cast iron skillet. It's supposed to be really good. Work on all different types of surfaces. Of course, this is unseasoned. I'll have to season this, fire this up, and get some crispy on it. That's a skillet. Really excited about this stuff, guys. I'll put some links in the description box. Y'all can go ahead and kind of check it out before I get the videos up on. But I just wanted to check in with y'all. Thank y'all for your support and keep watching. Like I said, I'm gonna get up and do some videos hopefully by this weekend again. And thank y'all so much. God bless, and thank you for your support.